Hey Brian, this is a tour of where I was staying. It was bugging me that Skype wasn't working last night, so I just wanted to give you a tour. And this is the room I'm staying in. There's a picture of a guy on a horse. Here's the mannequin of Marilyn Monroe. Creepy. James Dean. More James Dean. Elvis. Here, and I'll show you my grandpa's office. I think this is a really cool picture of a ship. And there's an airplane. And this is cool cutting thing. Flashlight collection. Another cool ship. And there's me. Hi. This would be a lot better if you could talk back to me. This is a cuckoo clock.
Are you gonna use this?
No, go ahead right now. And here's, show you some family photos. Jesus. There's me. I was a baby. Here's some more family photos. And that's about it. I guess I could show you the long bathroom hallway. You have to run across, see, like you open this door and there's like no light switch, so you have to run across to the end of the hallway to use the bathroom in the dark. It's super creepy. Okay, well, I just was bugging me that I couldn't give you a tour last night. So, I just thought I'd record for you, but I will talk to you later. I love you, and